Hello everybody, how are we all? Day 5 of Nat's Family Favourites. That's what it is if anyone ain't seen it yet. But and Nat loves all, you know, the family favourites, shepherd's pies, spag bowls, chili con carnes, beef casseroles, sausage casseroles. We're on day 5, there's one left, and it is spaghetti bolognese. Now, I was going to do spaghetti bolognese, but I've changed my mind because I fancy something else, if you get what I mean. So let me show you what we're going to do. Yes, we're still going to do the spag bowl sauce, but we're going to have jacket potato. Jacket potato topped with bolognese sauce. Because someone mentioned on the live stream they're on a jacket spud. I mean, that says, oh yeah, really likes jacket spuds, and we haven't had one for ages. So that's what we're going to do. So there's all the ingredients. 500 gram of beef. I've got 2 onions diced up. Basically, I've got half a punnet of mushrooms. I've got 2 small carrots. That's all what I've had left over from the week, if you get what I mean. And same as the spuds when I bought me big bag of baked potatoes. That's left over. So this is all like leftover stuff. Tin of chopped tomatoes with herbs in it. And with my baked spuds, I'm going to do air fryer chip and potato seasoning today. That one yesterday with the garlic was delicious. I was only knowing whether to do it on them, but I thought, no, well, let's do this one today. So it's nice and simple. First things first, because these spuds are absolutely massive. They're really big. I'm going to put them in the microwave just for like 10 minutes, just to soften up a bit, because otherwise they could all take a while in the air fryer otherwise. So let's move all this out of the way. We're going to get our potatoes. I've given them a wash and a little scrub. I'm just going to poke some holes in. Now my neighbour gave me this. He got it off Temu the other week. Well, the other month he gave it me. I've never used it. Just give it a wash. I'm going to poke the holes in this with the spuds, because then I'm thinking when I season it with a bit of oil, you're going to get all the delicious flavourings go into the potatoes, ain't you? Hopefully this will work. This is like a meat tenderiser, isn't it? So hopefully this should work. Oh yeah, it's gone in, look. Bit tight, but yeah. It's only for the steam, isn't it? Does the job, look? Does the job. Fingers, Keith, fingers. Last bit. There we go. So you just use a fork normally, don't you? That was hard work, that was. Right, I'm just going to put them. I'm not going to season them yet. I'm going to season them when they come out of the microwave. So I'm just going to put them in for like 10 minutes or so, that's all. Okay, guys, they've had 10 minutes. They've gone soft now, so they are hot. Now we'll get some oil. And we will sprinkle some, what is it? Chip and potato seasoning. It's great for fries and potato wedges. Well, we're having it on a jacket spud. And we're going to put a bit in there because we want the flavours, don't we? And what it says on these is leave it to like, give it a little marinade for like 10 minutes or so it soaks in. Boiling hot. Both sides. I'll let it cool down a second. I'll get the air fryer on to warm up in the meantime. Yeah, they're really hot them, so I've got to be careful. Use my tongs. Get a bit on the bottom. Air fryer's warming up. I've put the air fryer on 180. What I will do, obviously you keep checking them, don't I? I'll check them after 20 minutes, and then I'll probably turn them over. There we go. Wait for the air fryer to warm up. Okay, air fryer's warmed up. I'm going to put them in my crisper basket, just to keep them off the bottom. So I'm using my chef free. You do it in your basket ones, can't you? And we'll turn after, what, 15-20 minutes. And in the meantime, we'll start making the old bolognese sauce. Because that can just sit there then after, can't it, and just wait till the spuds are done. I have got some cheese. That's all included in the price. I'll tell you how much it actually cost me for the week. I'll tell you on this one, actually, at the end. While that pan's just warming up, I'm just going to put my spag bowl sauce mix in 125ml of water with 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. And we're going to give that a mix. Just mix it together. That'll do, that's that really. Right, a little bit of oil. I'm going to get me onions and me mushrooms in first. And we're going to fry them up for 5 minutes. Okay, that's been about 5 minutes. Now we're going to get the mince in. And we're going to fry all that up now, get all that brown. Turn that up a little bit now. Get all that fat coming out of the mince. Okay, that mince is all brown. We're just going to drain it off. Yeah, don't put it down the sink. Do it into a pan or something. Yeah. There you go. Nice and easy one, this. Chunky chopped tomatoes with herbs, and I've just broke the thing. Right, chunky chopped tomatoes. Oh dear, eh? So don't forget, if you're doing your own or whatever, you can always put garlics in and all that stuff if you need to, if you want to yourself, can't you? You know what I mean? Put whatever seasoning you want, but this is about them packets over there early and just nice and cheap and cheerful and all that stuff. I'm going to get these carrots in, only because I had them left. 2 left, so we're going to have them. And now we're getting, and just put a bit of stock in there, get a fork out of that, wouldn't it? Just to clean the old tin out. That's that done. And we're going to leave that now to simmer 20 minutes or so. And we'll wait for the jacket spuds to do. And if this is done, I can turn it off and we can just warm it back up, can't we? That's all. Okay, guys, it's done. I did for the last 10 minutes. It's got about 2 minutes left. For the last 10 minutes, I put the air fryer on 200 degrees just to crisp the potatoes up a little bit more. But we are done. Right, so I got myself some foil there, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a spud out. Hot, 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 hot. Hope you can see that properly. We're going to cut it up. Now I have got butter, but I need it for tomorrow's video, so I'm just using Marge. It's hot. What I want to do is get some butter in here and a bit of cheese on the bottom. I've got some cheese. It's hot, 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 guys. Hot, 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 hot. Be careful. Let's open it up. Let's mash the spud up first. Ow. Ow. Could do with another probably 2 minutes, this could, I think. Probably another 2 minutes. They are big spuds. But that's okay, because we can put the cheese on and melt them in the air fryer. Yeah, probably another couple of minutes. Let's get some butter on. So they're massive spuds. They are massive. Well, margarine. Be beautifully buttery. Get some of that in there. We get a mix, a mash, and put it on. And we'll incorporate some cheese onto it. Just so it all melts and give it a couple of minutes, and I'll wrap it up in the foil. Just loose. And they'll go back in the air fryer then for maybe finish off for the last 3 or 4 minutes, that's all. That's what we'll do, because they're a little bit hard still. Okay guys, now we're ready. That's been in about another 5 minutes. The other one wasn't quite as bad as this one, but I won't put them both back in there anyway. So let's open this up now. Oh yes, give it a mash with my fork. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that, can you? Give it a mash now. Still a little bit hard, that is. There's that. And we'll get some good old what's it called? Bolognese sauce on top. Don't forget, these are only budget potatoes and all, only the Aldi things. Some Maris pipe or something would be a lot better, wouldn't it? And some more cheese on top, eh? That's it. And we will wrap it up and we'll get it another melted while I serve up. I'll have that one because it's a little bit hard to potato. The other one will be perfect for Nat. Yeah, there we go then. Nat's one I've done after. It was a lot better than mine. My potato was a little bit hard. I didn't even tell you what I do, did I? No. Let me show you. Oh dear. Bab.
I need to kind of scratch it.
There it is, all mixed together. Double cheese. Looks a bit like sick, doesn't it?
What is it?
It's bolognese.
Oh, is it bolognese?
Bolognese, yeah.
Let's have a taste.
Let's have a look to bring mine down. But it's all in the taste, isn't it? My potato was a little bit hard, but they're massive spuds.
That's nice. That is nice.
Nice?
Yeah. It's lovely.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's going to be boiling up, darling. Is it nice? Is your potato hard? Yours too hot.
No, it's not hard. It's soft now. Yeah, it's soft. Thank you.
Yours was a lot better than mine.
Oh.
No, it was only a little bit, but it doesn't bother me. But they are massive spuds. Anyway, let's have a crack.
It's really nice.
Bring it down.
Done a good job here.
Hot in it. Yeah. Take your time. I thought I was going to do a spag bowl. But I changed my mind. I fancied a roast potato. Not roast potato, jacket potato. Try the skin.
I've been for a jacket potato.
Yeah, someone was on about it going down on the live stream.
I went, and I said to you, that'd be really nice, that one. Try the what? Try the skin.
See what you think of the skin. It's going to be hot.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I like it all. It's all nice.
It's all nice.
It's all nice.
It's all nice.
It's lovely.
I haven't salted it, because I didn't know how much salt you wanted, so the salt's there. Let me try some of this skin. Well, same thing as with jacket potatoes, you just have to keep cooking them till they're cooked, don't you? Because they're all different sizes, all different air fryers, everything's different, ain't it? So, but that took 10 minutes in the microwave, good job I did, and 45 minutes in the air fryer, so 55 minutes. But these are massive, so this probably could have done with probably another 10 to get it perfect.
Lovely. Very nice. I'm enjoying that. Hot.
Oh. That skin's nice.
It is. it's nice. It's really nice.
That's that other B&M seasoning.
Oh, did you put that on? I thought I could taste something.
Not the garlic one. Oh. With the garlic one, it's been delicious, but with the other potato and chip one.
I thought I could taste something. Let's pop loose. I didn't think I'd be hungry today, but
I'm starving, Bab.
Starving.
Just starving.
Oh, starving.
Now the potato's not too bad. Probably another minute or so. I don't know if you can see, but it's fine. It's not hard. It's cooked, but it just could do with a bit more mushy. Do you know what I mean?
I know what you're saying, yeah.
If you get what I mean. Yeah, so all in all, for the 5 days, it's cost me, now that's with everything, the only thing I haven't put in the price was my oil, because I would have got oil, and a bit of salt and pepper. Everything else I bought, apart from 2 beef stock cubes, because what I'd done the other day, yesterday was it? It cost me 32 quid for the Monday to Friday. That ain't bad, is it? And that's everything. That's, you know, all your onions and your carrots and all your meat. And then with tomorrow's, it's cost me another £6. I had to go to Lidl because Aldi's is closed for 2 weeks to get some more mince for the video for tomorrow. So it cost me 38 quid for the whole week, well, 6 days, for some delicious meals, innit? Filling meals.
Oh, it's been really nice.
Yeah, it's been really nice, she says. Yeah, so that ain't bad, is it? 38 quid for home cooked meals, with everything. Do you get me? Oh, and my seasonings, but my 2 69p seasonings as well. Well, apart from that, with the eggs and everything, the cheese, I got a big block of cheese from Aldi, 4 quid. So, there we go. 1 more day to go, which is going to be the absolute pain for me, hopefully. Or good or easy, I don't know, we'll find out what happens. All homemade. The one Nat's looking forward to the most, which is the one I'm going to mess up on. Isn't it, Bab?
Doesn't matter. I'm not bothered.
I say I am the old food all week, isn't it, Bab? I'll tell you what we'll do. At the end of the week, tomorrow, when we've done tomorrow's, you can put them in order, which one you want best. Yeah? We'll do it. I know we've done it all week, yeah? Should we do that?
Alright,
so
that
go from
sounds better.
top to bottom, yeah? Okay, so we'll do that. Yeah, as I say, I'm the old food guy. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Nearly old, Mum.
Nearly, I know, it's nearly all hers, look. And look, it's nearly it all.
But trust me to lean up the foil.
I know you got it everywhere, look here. Bless you. That's usually me, ain't it? See you later, bye-bye.